Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Hit that subscribe button if you're interested in this type of content. And today I'm out here with the Top Race Dragon drone. Nowadays it's hard to find quads that don't have altitude hold, so I'm constantly on the lookout for drones that fly real nice and don't have altitude hold to give you guys a heads up on where to get them and all, because they're hard to find. But this is the Top Race Dragon drone, and this is basically a clone of the WL Toys V252, and it flies a lot like the WL Toys V252. The V252 had a third version, I think, that had a faster yaw rate. This is pretty much the second version, I think, version 2. But this is on a different protocol. It's on a Bayang Toys protocol, but this nevertheless is deviated, so it's still just as awesome. It's still deviated. It has a lot of pitch and all. It can do nice funnels and everything. The yaw isn't as fast as the version 3 of the WL Toys V252, but it's just not bad at all. I can only think of one thing that I don't like about this, and that's the fact that it doesn't really have any nice LEDs on it. So no night flying with this one. But other than that, this thing flies really nice. Really nice flyer, and it's still available from Top Race. I think it's the Top Race TRD4 or something like that. I'll have the link in the description nevertheless for you guys to check it out. So let me get this guy in the air before it's too late for me. I got here kind of late. Got the jumper out here to fly it with. Nice and quiet. Check it out. So the only thing you have as far as lights with this guy is just the eyes. So that's the best of a funnel you can get out of her. Not bad at all. I don't know if it's because of deviation, but this thing acts a little weird when I flip it with deviation, so I'm not going to try to flip it. Awesome flyer though. Fast too. This might be the best flyer available nowadays without altitude hold. I can't remember if these props came on it, because I definitely did add these props though later, and I had this guy for a while, so I can't remember what props were actually on it, but this was a pair of props that I had laying around, and so I just threw these on it. Some speed passes for y'all. This thing is fast, man. Let me slow it down and bring it in close. Oh man, unfortunately I ran out of space on my phone or whatnot, and so the recording stopped. So we missed a lot of the flight. Hopefully not too much. I just fired it back up to give you guys a little bit more of whatever is left in this battery here. Oh, it looks like I'm getting weak. I can feel it. Let me bring it in. I love how quiet this thing is. You can barely hear it. Hopefully it doesn't die on me before I'm close to myself. Hopefully I'll be able to have it close enough to see. Man, I got a good flight out of this thing though, considering that it stopped on me. I don't know exactly where it stopped on me, but oh! And I smacked into the back of the tree. I couldn't cut it tight enough. Hopefully I didn't receive any damage on it. Okay, everything looks like it's okay. The props even look like they're not busted or anything. So the link will be in the description for this little guy. I think the price is around 35 bucks on Amazon. Hopefully you guys don't put it out of stock. If you do put it out of stock, hopefully they'll get more in. Because I want to get another one of these. Okay, looks like we got some flashing now on the lights. Check it out. Hopefully you guys can see that. I don't know. Alright, you see I nicked the prop a little bit right there. Not too bad though. So it's the Top Race Dragon drone. Really awesome flyer. Thanks for watching.